Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Frosting and icing. What's the difference between these two sweet toppings? In broad terms, frosting is thick and fluffy, and is used to coat the outside, and often the inner layers, of a cake. Icing is thinner and glossier than frosting, and can be used as a glaze or for detailed decorating. 19 July 2019.
Take our lead.
Whipped royal icing is hard, while whipped cream and buttercream are smooth. Buttercream is definitely richer. Butter has a higher fat content than heavy cream, making it heavier as well. Whipped cream on the hand is lighter and fluffier, but it is still very rich.
Let's help you make your mark.
Frosting is usually used to coat the outside of cake. It has a buttercream-like texture and a more buttery taste. When you're making cake for your kid's birthday party, consider using the Daily Meals Mocha Buttercream Frosting or our Cinnamon Frosting recipe. 21 July 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.